How to remove creators account on Instagram. Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode. In today's episode, I'll be showing you how to remove creators account on Instagram. First of all, make sure that your application is up to date. If not, head over to your Play Store and then update the application. After you update the application, log in into your Instagram account, and this is how it's going to look like. Once you're logged into your account, click on the profile icon located in the bottom right corner of your screen. This is going to direct you to the profile page. Once you're on this page, click on the tab bar icon located right on top. After that, you'll need to go to settings and privacy. To come to settings and privacy, over here you'll be able to find an option as creators account. Just go to your creators account page, and right over here you'll also be able to find an option as switch account type, which is right at the bottom. On this page you'll be able to see an option as for professional, and under it there is an option as creator tools and control. Click on it. This is going to take you to the creators page, and scroll down a bit and click on switch account type, which is right at the bottom. So here you'll be asked whether you want to switch it to business account or a personal account. So select the type of account that you want to switch it over to. For the confirmation, tap on it once again, and that is how you can remove your creators account. Go ahead, and here you can see that my account has been switched to personal account. In this way you can remove creators account on Instagram. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. If it did really help you, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.